Right, the transfer gearbox, 2 levers, green and red. The red one, the lower one, the one closest to you, traditional high-low range. It's a permanent 4-wheel drive, so 1-to-1 towards you, high range, like any other gearbox that you know of, any other 4x4. Very simple. Change into low at better to stop, but at a very slow pace. You can read the instruction manual from the IVECO itself. It will show you your revs, it will show you your speed that you can change from high to low. But if you can stop, better stop. Get it into gear and drive. Half gears. Everybody calls it something different. We in Motorhome-world, we tend to call it half gears. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so all the way down it's normal 6-speed gearbox like you will drive in normal conditions. The half gear is just in between the 1 and the 2, depending when you're in, and 3 and 4. You can change it on the fly. It doesn't matter. Don't go rev and red lines and change it. But normal driving conditions, flick it forward with the clutch, and it gives you just that additional revs to stay in your optimum torque range that you want to be in for loose sand driving, for example. It just gives you a little bit more control over your torque range, and our customers tell us very convenient lever gear ratio to use. So by all means, just give it a try, play with it, and you'll get to know how to use it. So yes, stop or very slow speeds on the high-low range, and your green one, half gears, use it, play with it.